You going fishing, AJ? Can you get a fish? Oh, good job, honey. Can you get another one? Good job, sweetie. Can you get another fish? Oh, good job. Good job. Can you get another one? Good job. 3 more. Oh, 3 more, honey. Can you get 3 more? Oh, you want to worry about those those. You want to put those back? Okay.